Hello everyone, I'm Kaylee and I'm here with Barb, and today we're going to teach you how to move embroidery files to your embroidery machine or to your machine. So here's Barb, the lovely Barb, we love her.
Good morning. Good. It's afternoon.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, when you go to the store, you might buy something like this, or if you download a file online, then you're going to have a file, and people are saying, how do you get that from your computer to your sewing machine and your embroidery machine? So I'm going to show you today. So this is a jump drive or a thumb drive or USB. I mean, there's a lot of names you can call it. So I've already got my design in there. I'm going to plug in my USB there. I'm going to go on my computer. I'm going to locate it. So if I go right in here, I'll go up there. Okay, I'm going to find my files. There's my PES files, because this machine takes a PES, so you have to know what kind of a file your machine takes. Mine are PES. I'm going to take that file, decide which one I want, and I'm going to drag it over to here. I'm going to drag it right into there. Okay, there it is. Now I can just eject my USB, thumb drive, jump drive. I'm going to take it out. Then I'm going to put my machine away, my computer machine. Now, coming over to my embroidery machine, I will plug it in right there where it tells me I should. All right, now come around here, McKaylee. Now this is my computer screen. I'm going to tap on there. That's going to bring up my embroidery. Then I'm going to come down here, and because I've got it on my jump drive over here, I'm going to touch that one. If I had it already in my machine, then I could touch that one. But this is the one I'm going to go to. And there are all the files that I have on that jump drive. Okay? So at that point, I'm just going to pick which one I want. It's going to bring it up, and I'm ready to embroider. There it goes. That is how easy it is.
Super easy.
Very easy to do. Do you have any questions? McKaylee, what you got?
Oh no, I don't have any questions.
Okay. That's just how easy it is, so get embroidering.
Awesome. Thanks,
Okay,
Barb.
you're
Thanks,
welcome.
girlfriends.